Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you everything about my weekly face mask, starting from how I prepare it to how I apply it over my face. So let's do it. The ingredients for my oatmeal mask are 2 tablespoons of oats with no flavor, which contains high antioxidants and something called saponins, which helps remove dirt from the face or skin, heals inflammation, and helps with irritations. I also use half tablespoon of flour, which works as a binding agent and helps removing dark spots, sunspots, pigmentation effects, as well as helping in the regeneration of new cells. The third ingredient for this mask is a half lemon, which contains vitamin C and citric acid, which enhances beauty, is good for glowing skin, and also helps in removing dead skin. At last, I just add 2 tablespoons of water and mix everything. After mixing everything for over a minute or two, we finally get our oatmeal face mask and we are ready to move to the next step. The second step is to apply a face wash on my face. I do this by applying my favorite face wash, which is Himalaya face wash, but you can pretty much use any face wash that you want. I start by putting some water on my face and then take small portions of the face wash and rub it over my face. I do it very gently and slowly to avoid scratching my face with my nails. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, comment down below, like and share this video with your friends. I'm really sorry for being late this week. It's just that I've been busy with ASI elections, and for those who do not know what ASI is, ASI means Association of African Students in India, and if you are an African student and need help with anything, you can just contact the ASI cabinet and get in touch with them through the various websites and platforms. Eventually I'm gonna leave the link to their social medias down below into my description box. And yes, now we are ready to move to the final step. Now that my face is all cleaned up, I am ready to finally apply the oatmeal mask into my face. I start that by taking small portions of the face mask and apply it over my face, rubbing it very slowly for over 3 to 5 minutes. You can do it for lesser if you do not have much time, but I was quite enjoying the process, so it kind of took longer. I usually apply this mask on my face once a week, preferably on Sundays, so that I can wake up on Monday shining off. And you can also apply this mask all over your body once a month or every 15 days. It's really good. Trust me, it does the work. After I'm done applying the mask over my face and a little bit over my neck, I let it dry for over 20 minutes, which is more than enough time for the mask to do whatever it is that it has to be doing. And finally, it's time to wash it. It's a little bit hard to wash off the mask from our face, and again we should be very careful with our nails not to scratch the face. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Peace out.